Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the SwimWays Papasan Spring Float. SwimWays is a little company. They have tons of different spring float products, whole line of spring float products. This Papasan in particular is a little bigger. It's definitely the adult, or I guess larger teen kid Papasan. They also have some baby Papasans. This will probably not be the one. It's definitely big, and you'll see in a second. Why did I get this, you ask? Well, we used it recently on a little trip we took to Palm Springs. We knew they had a pool out there, so we're like, well, we should bring some little floaties so we can, relax, kick back in the pool, have a drink, whatever. And, they probably wouldn't have those at the hotel we were staying at, so we figured we'd bring our own. And yeah, we did. They were great. They're really great for travel. I mean, look how, small, thin these things are. You could fit like 20 of these in a car and still have room. So, and it's also nice because it comes in a small carrying case. I already unzipped it. It does zip up, but I unzipped it because I knew I'd be making this video, and it's really difficult to unzip with one hand. But yeah, it comes in its own little carrying case. And how many, pool toys have that? So that's pretty cool. I'm going to open it, get it out so you guys can see it in action. Get it out of the bag. Yeah, nice little mesh carrying case, really cool. Plastic on the front. Obviously you can take the cardboard cover thing out, but yeah. So yeah, when you take it out, first thing you'll see is the patented SwimWays Spring Action. Boom, just pops open like that, and you are good to go. So this is it. As you can see, it's pretty big. Try and put like a hand out there for reference, if that, can show you kind of how big it is. Opens really nicely when you take it out of the case. Very, very comfortable to sit, lounge in. Definitely your relaxing pool toy for sure. Not, crazy water gun or noodle or anything like that. We had a few of us using it throughout the weekend. Everyone was really digging this. Nobody wanted to let anyone else use it because it's so nice, and it's nice to just chill in, The mesh is really, really soft right here. Really soft and lightweight. Honestly, for how thin it is, it feels really durable. I never felt like it was going to rip or tear or anything like that. We were messing around with them quite a bit, so they made it through our little vacation, which was cool. And it's also, the material isn't like scratchy or weird. Honestly, it reminds me of like these old basketball shorts I used to have. It's definitely, you could look at it, it's kind of that material. Really soft against the skin. Not like, I mentioned noodle a second ago. Noodles are kind of that scratchy, weird, I don't know, material. If you've ever played around with a noodle, like a pool noodle, they have that material. This is like the complete opposite of that. Really soft, really nice. I think it has a weight capacity of like 250 pounds. I'm 160, so if anyone's 160 or around that, you'll be pretty solid. I felt solid, Yeah. The outer ring is this little lime green portion around here. By the way, this is the lime green and blue version. There are definitely different colors that this comes with. This one is the one we specifically got. I don't know that there are differences between the other ones. I think they're all pretty much the same, so even if you have a different color one, you're looking at a different color one, this is pretty much the same idea. So you have to inflate the outer ring for it to work. What you can see right here is the little nozzle thing right here. Honestly, it took me maybe 4 or 5 breaths to get this thing pumped up, so not bad at all. You're not going to need to, lose your breath to do this thing like you do with some pool toys. And you won't need any sort of pumps or inflation devices or any of that either. To deflate it, it's as easy as opening the valve, squeezing it a little bit, and letting the air out, and then packing it right back up in the bag. Some people get weird by the folding. It's honestly just twisting motion to get it back into the small circle, get it into the bag. It's really, really easy. Main thing I like about this, besides beyond the fact that, it's nice to just lounge in, is the fact that it's super portable. We don't have a pool at our place, but we do have them around here, and when we go on vacation or whatever, every time we roll out, we can bring this thing along with us. It's really easy. It doesn't take a lot of room to pack it up in the car or whatever. Or, you know, in a bag on the airlines. And yeah, just a great little lounging piece of pool equipment if you, you know, don't mind getting a little wet. Obviously, this thing is not, you know, like a lounging mat that's going to keep it dry or anything, or floating on top of the pool. But if you don't mind that, and you know, are looking for a good papasan, even Spring Float Papasan, I'm telling you, these are nice little pool products. So yeah, check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.